extra from Mount Gambier Library. And we're doing our final project with our little buzzer here for our July school holidays. And we've already completed a light, a motor that makes a fan, and now we have a buzzer. Whether it's gonna be a doorbell or a phone or whatever that is. And what you need to get is your scissors, and you need to have your electrical tape and your buzzer, and that's it. You have your 2 wires that you've left loose that you're going to actually put your buzzer on. So we take our 2 reds together and we twist them. And we protect it so that it doesn't bend too much at that point, and also so that the wires don't touch each other on either side. If they touched, they do something we call short circuiting. You might have heard of short circuiting. It's what they often say, like, oh, the robot has short circuit, it's buzzing out and smoke is coming out. Well, I don't think the smoke would come out of this, but it would definitely stop the whole thing from working if your wires from your black side touch your side from your red. That's called short circuit. So that is all done. We just need to add tape to that one. And let's see how it works. We can't wait to see what you guys come up with, so please do send us a picture of your creation. And if you get stuck with anything, do remember to look at the cards. You should be able to find a lot more information in there. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.